Yeah, I think the thing I'm most excited about in myself is that I can look in the mirror and say that I've grown, but I've got a long way to go, and that I'm mature enough to see that I've got a long way to go. But I'm happy with where I'm at, and I try not to I try not to say content, but I like how things are going.
You you were one win away from flipping the record 2 years ago. Two and
Six,
16.
no, I didn't. Yeah.
Be 16-2.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So this has been quite a.
Yeah. Quite a ride. Quite a ride. Freshman year was what it was, and now we're here, and we got a great opportunity. Obviously, we're gonna have to, do our part to win the game, but you know, at the end of the day, all you want is a chance.
You guys have that chance, but against a Vanderbilt team that hasn't played very well in the SEC, how
Yeah.
do you, I guess, not play down to them and I guess come out of the gate strong so that there's really no kind of late game heroics like you've been there?
I mean, they're definitely capable of beating us. Obviously, we're capable of winning the game as well, but we've got a lot of respect for the program, and they've played a lot of the top tier teams in this conference very tough. So we don't expect to go out and just punch them and they just stay down. So we're gonna have a great game plan, but we're gonna have to execute.
Do you have one memory? I hate to make you look back on bad memories, but now that you're doing well, maybe you can laugh about it. 2 years ago, was there like one game or one moment you looked around and were like, this is not what we need to be?
I remember who we beat. We beat Tennessee in Missouri. We beat Tennessee on senior night. I think that was probably my favorite memory. I haven't lost a senior night here, so.
Didn't Florida score like 60 and a half or something?
Yeah, Florida killed us. I think they hit 19 threes. Devin Robinson, Casey Hill, Chris Chioza, they had a good group. And they ended up going – we had 3 teams in conference that year. We went to the Elite Eight, so we were in for we had a tough time.
Coach Wade has really emphasized the hardest thing to do is to win a regular season championship. Anybody can maybe get hot in the SEC tournament and do something, but to do it over an 18-game stretch, what would it mean to do it, drop a banner in there?
Huge. I mean, I don't think it's been done in 10 years. I've talked with Taz about it. I think Taz has 2 conference championships here, and he says it's not easy. It shows that you're consistently playing at a high level and consistently being able to finish out games.
Give him away, man. Give him away, man.
Always tries to mess me up. What's up, Emmett? All right, I'll see you. Like he's not my roommate.
Y'all share shoes? Both of y'all got the 95s on.
Yeah, with the team shoes. Yeah.
You've got so much on your plate, maybe you don't have a chance to pay attention. But the coach is in the news today about some things, the FBI and different things. I mean, do you guys hear any of that stuff? Do you just try to block it out? I mean, how are you handling those things?
I mean, I don't think I'm in a position to talk too much about it. I just kind of try to stay in my own lane and do as much as I can to help us on the court. So.
Senior night coming up, Cavell. I mean,
Yeah.
big contribution to the
My
team
guy.
this year. I mean, sitting on the bench last year. Just what's it been like watching him kind of itch to play and then finally being a huge impact like he has been this year?
Yeah, it's my guy. Unbelievable worker. He deserves everything that's come to him this year. He saves us on a lot of plays with his shot blocking, but I think the best thing is his locker room presence and his maturity, and it's been a blessing for me to be around him on a daily basis and see how he's grown on and off the court.
What's it like in the locker room? Because we kind of see him. He's low-key, kind of a man of few words. Is he like that?
No, not at all. He's a really funny guy. Loves to dance. Big clown for someone that big.
Somebody with some experience, of course, went to the Final Four with Oregon. What has he kind of told you guys, especially a young team like this, about, I guess, playing for a conference championship this week and so much going forward as well? A lot of people, want to see where you guys kind of go here.
Yeah, just saying that we have a chance to make history. Obviously, we want to send him out the right way. But, the thing about Cavell is he's a winner, and he kind of leads the way in that aspect. Somebody who's won before and just kind of showing the way.